So before I start here, nothing I say is financial advice. Please make sure to come over here to, and nothing is a buy or sell recommendation. Come over to ztrades.net, check out our terms and conditions tab over here at ztrades. So anyways, I wanted to jump in to this video here. We got market open in around 40 minutes here, so I'm going to make this quick on XRP. Shut up about this crappy, disgusting crypto. No, it's not going anywhere, in my opinion. It's not. Look at the technical analysis. You guys were duped into this? The last halving that we had, Bitcoin halving, right? The healthy coins, they go higher each time. It didn't even exceed the high of over here. Okay? This is the market cap. Ignore the price over here. I'm pointing at it like you guys can see my hand. It hit, I think, 328. I remember trading it over there. It's never seen that high again. Ever. And here was the news spike everyone was waiting for, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news, or as I say, buy the anticipation, sell the event. That's my saying. I'm not telling you to do that. And that was it. It was over. Boom. I was saying to myself when this thing popped, if I was in this, I would dump all of it right here and I'd go short. Well, I would have been right, wouldn't I? Look at the technical analysis. This is classic. We just broke this trend line. We came up for the retest. This thing is absolute junk. It's 100 billion supply. It's junk. It's over. Okay? XRP is separate from these coins are pretty much separate from their business, from the way that it's set up, from what I see. So Bitcoin may keep it propped up. I don't ever see it going this high. People are saying $100. Get out of here. You know, $100 on this. You know how big the market cap would have to be? You would basically have to put Bitcoin's market cap into this for it to do that. It's not going to happen, in my opinion. Not happening. It's crap. This whole time, everyone's been bag holding for all this time. They could have been in something that maybe would go up, you know? In my opinion, I mean, this has been a banger for me. Look at this. It went from $8. I wonder if I can change this to not show the market cap here, if it would just, whatever. I would be on TrendSpider on this, but for some reason it doesn't show me properly how I want the charts to be. But anyways, it's showing me like futures contracts and all that. Maybe I need to figure that out. But Avalanche has been fantastic. Just look at Ethereum, you know? Every Bitcoin halving, it exceeds, it shadows the last high. Shadows the last high. I think we hit 1,400 with the Bitcoin halving in 2016 for the 2018 run-up. Then we had in the mid to high fours, 4,000, 4,500, 4,700, somewhere around there on Ethereum on the last crypto halving. You know, it's pretty simple. And people that don't know what they're doing always have to make it complicated. They always have to look for some crap company, like in the stock market, or some junk crypto that they're hoping to become a billionaire on. You know, and they're sitting here doing the math. Okay, if XRP goes to 1,000 and dude, my gosh, you guys, ridiculous. I could smoke everyone. I don't pay for trading to these ads. Oh my gosh. I could smoke everyone by simply just sitting here holding Bitcoin. All the XRP people. Bitcoin's smoked the XRP people. Right? The slow lagging coin that all the others follow. Right? When there's a halving and it starts to move. Bitcoin smoked them. That's pretty sad. Really sad. And look at this. It actually goes higher each halving, unlike... I need to calm down with the sarcasm in my voice. I'm getting too fired up here. I don't want to see the contract, please. Okay, here we go. Now we can see the XRP price. And you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they actually go higher each halving. This thing's went lower and lower, and the most bullish news we could have had on XRP with all of TikTok and Instagram and all the crypto groups. It couldn't even send it to the previous high. And now we have a nasty bearish setup with a trend line break. Shut up about Ripple. It's trash. There's a $100 billion supply. The smart people, they took profits and went short. And look at that collapse. And it couldn't even hold. On top of it, not even making a sustain. I mean, it actually did pop quite a bit. 50 cents to, went up nearly 100%. Really fast for like maybe a day. And then now it's gone. Poof, gone. Nothing ever changes. Just like with the Bitcoin spot ETF. I buy the anticipation and I sell the news. Now, I didn't do that in the case with Bitcoin and Mara. And I should have. But, I'm more concerned with the biggest risk, in my opinion, is me missing out on it. So I want to be buying it every time it goes lower. This is garbage. You were wrong about XRP. It's garbage, in my opinion. It's a trash coin. I'm not buying something that goes lower on each Bitcoin halving. Right? It would be a miracle if it could hit, $1.97 again. I don't see that, and I'm not concerned with that. And I didn't get duped into this junk. This isn't my first rodeo. I've been around since pre-2016 halving on Bitcoin. I've seen all the pops, right? I really feel like it was bigger back. Crypto was really big. I mean, it was huge. It pulled a lot of people in the stock market. I'm getting off topic here. Back in 2016 and 2018, it was massive. Everyone was talking about it. But it's garbage. Again, I'd rather something that's going to go up with the Bitcoin halvings and exceed the previous high. I mean, we're already almost there, with Link. We haven't even had a crypto halving yet. They're about to apply for a Ethereum spot ETF. There's going to be so much. There already is tons of money coming into the crypto market. I mean, it's going to shadow last time, in my opinion. But I'm going to say it one more time, I'm going to be focusing on things that will exceed the previous halving highs. Not garbage. Not trash tokens. Right? With a monstrous supply. You guys do realize, so if there's a $1 billion supply, right? And I put $1 trillion in there, okay, to a coin with a $1 billion supply. Then we have Bitcoin, $1 trillion. Then we have Bitcoin with 21 million supply, and I put, $1 million in there. Let's say I put $1 trillion into Bitcoin, and there's a $21 million supply versus a coin with a $100 billion supply, and I put $1 trillion in. Which price is going to be higher? Well, the Bitcoin. It's simple math. There's less to go around, so each one will be worth more. No, XRP is not going to $400. In my opinion, not financial advice. If you want, well, I'm not even going to say that. I was going to say, if you'd like to take a bet, but I don't know if that's allowed. But anyways, I don't see that happening. It's just FUD and trash and just clickbait that's all over. People following trends so they can get followers all over TikTok and Instagram. And you guys got duped. And I told you all, I told you all what my opinion was. Garbage. And I was right. And I said if I was in it, I would sell XRP right when that happened. Everyone was like, oh my gosh, right? When they announced it over in here and it sold off. It works with everything. Space, right? Perfect example of buy the anticipation, sell the event. These pops were whenever they would, Virgin Galactic, a trash company that can't really make money. What kind of business model is that? You got to build these quadrillion-dollar planes and then fly people to float around in space at $200,000 a pop. You think come on, right? Rather than someone investing in, like, let's say, a lithium refining company, something that can actually make some money, right? These explosions right here are the test flights, and then when it was successful, it dropped. I don't understand. Why did it fall? Buy the anticipation, sell the event. That's what the smart people do. And they're dumping it on you. And people still are not learning, and it happened in XRP. Get out of here, ads. And it happened, and it sold off. Trash, okay? Bitcoin. What do we just have happened recently? Let's we'll go to a 1 year, 1 day. Oh gosh, the stock chart is all messed up here. Where was it? Here it is. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Yep. Here it was. This was the anticipation for the spot ETF, and it spiked and sold off. Right? Bitcoin's recovering. I do think XRP is going to have, some steam come into it, only due to the fact that crypto is going to be going heavily. It's not with all the news and all that garbage and, oh, the US government's using their technology. That's cool. That has nothing really to do with the coin at all. Right? That's the technology. They're separate. It has a $100 billion supply. It's a S-word coin. Right? It's a token. It's trash. It's garbage. I had to release this video. I'm sick of hearing about it, and I was right, and I told everyone, and they didn't listen to me. If you guys like this content, please make sure to like and follow for more.